Education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. Malcolm X, a name that resonates through history as a symbol of transformation, resilience, and spiritual awakening. His legacy as a civil rights leader is well known. But beyond the speeches and headlines, there was a profound spiritual journey that shaped his worldview and his fight for justice. Today, we dive deep into that journey, exploring the spiritual evolution of Malcolm X, from his early days to his transformative pilgrimage to Mecca. Born Malcolm Little in 1925 in Omaha, Nebraska, Malcolm's early life was filled with hardship. His father, Earl Little, was a Baptist minister and a follower of Marcus Garvey, a prominent Black nationalist leader. Garvey preached the empowerment of Black people and the return to Africa. This had a profound impact on young Malcolm, as his father's activism shaped his early understanding of race and identity. Malcolm's early exposure to religion came through his father's involvement in the Baptist Church. But it wasn't just a spiritual path. It was intertwined with Black liberation and the struggle for equality. After his father's tragic death, the family's financial struggles deepened. These formative years planted the seeds of Malcolm's later radical approach to addressing racial injustice. As a teenager, Malcolm drifted from the religious teachings of his youth. He was eventually caught up in crime, ending up in prison by the age of 20. It was in prison that his spiritual journey took an unexpected turn. Prison became a turning point in Malcolm's life. During his time behind bars, Malcolm was introduced to the teachings of the Nation of Islam through letters from his siblings. The Nation, led by Elijah Muhammad, preached Black self-reliance, the rejection of white supremacy, and a form of Islam focused on empowering Black people in America. Malcolm embraced the teachings of the Nation of Islam wholeheartedly. He rejected his slave surname Little and adopted X to represent the unknown African name stolen from his ancestors through slavery. His transformation was not just spiritual but also deeply political. Under the guidance of Elijah Muhammad, Malcolm became a prominent spokesperson for the nation, advocating for Black separatism and self-defense against oppression. But Malcolm's early embrace of the nation's teachings also reflected his anger toward the system of racial oppression. His message was clear: African Americans should not turn the other cheek, but should fight for their rights by any means necessary. This militant stance, grounded in his interpretation of Islam at the time, made him both a powerful figure and a controversial one. However, Malcolm's journey within the Nation of Islam was not without internal conflict. As his fame grew, so did tensions between him and the nation's leadership. Malcolm began to question some of Elijah Muhammad's teachings, particularly after learning about Muhammad's personal scandals. His strict adherence to religious discipline led him to become disillusioned with the inconsistencies he saw in the nation's leadership. By the early 1960s, Malcolm's path was diverging from that of the Nation of Islam. His spiritual journey was about to take a dramatic turn, leading him toward a more inclusive understanding of Islam and race relations. In 1964, Malcolm embarked on a pilgrimage to Mecca, known as the Hajj. This journey would forever change his life and his spiritual beliefs. In Mecca, he encountered Muslims of all races, Africans, Asians, Europeans, praying side by side. This profound experience opened his eyes to a broader, more inclusive vision of Islam, one that transcended the racial divisions that defined his earlier views. It was during this pilgrimage that Malcolm adopted the name El-Hajj Malik El-Shabazz. For him, this was not merely a change of name, but a symbol of his newfound understanding of Islam as a universal faith. In his own words, "I saw all races, all colors, blue-eyed blondes to black-skinned Africans in true brotherhood." Malcolm's experience in Mecca led him to reject the racial separatism of the Nation of Islam. He now preached a message of unity and solidarity, not only among Black people, but among all oppressed peoples, regardless of race. Upon his return to the United States, Malcolm X's speeches began to reflect this broader vision. No longer was he advocating for strict racial separation. Instead, he called for global human rights, aligning himself with the struggles of oppressed peoples worldwide. His message became one of racial reconciliation and unity under the umbrella of Islam. But there are lesser-known aspects of Malcolm's spiritual journey that deserve attention. His early exposure to Christianity through his father's ministry shaped his moral foundation, even though he later rejected the Christian faith. And his decision to adopt the name El-Hajj Malik El-Shabazz was more than symbolic. It marked the complete transformation of his identity, both as a man and as a spiritual leader. Malcolm X's spiritual journey teaches us that faith is not static. it evolves. From his early life under the influence of Black nationalism and Christianity to his later embrace of global Islam, Malcolm's journey is a testament to the transformative power of spiritual growth. He moved from a message of anger and separatism to one of understanding and unity. Today, Malcolm X remains an enduring figure in the fight for justice and equality. His spiritual evolution mirrors the struggles many of us face on our own paths of growth, transformation, and understanding. If you found Malcolm X's spiritual journey as insightful as we did, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Join us next week for more explorations of faith, spirituality, and personal growth. Together, let's continue on this journey of enlightenment.